comes the man, hot damn.
What's up, this is Jam back with another house dance tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how to do the farmer. All right, so jumping into the technique of the farmer, the first thing that we're actually gonna talk about is the musicality of this move. So in house, what we're listening to in the music is that driving bass line. We're listening to that boom, 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 boom. So the emphasis is always going to be on that bass. And that is true also for the farmer. So when we start the farmer, we're gonna be starting on that one, okay? So starting on the one, we're gonna be hopping. I'm gonna start on my right leg, and we're gonna be hopping onto a straight leg like this, okay? So the first thing is from center, I'm gonna go straight and hop into that step, boom, okay? As I do that, I'm gonna allow the left leg to lift up, and then it's gonna drop. So from here, you'll go to the left side, you're gonna go hop and down, okay? So the real basic mechanics is hop, down, down. Now, when we hop, we're jumping on that one and two and, okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? Now I'm using that, as the step comes down, I am using it to push off to go into that next step, okay? But our emphasis is going to be on the first step, 1 and 2 and, okay? All right, now we need to add that jack into the mix, all right? So with the jack, again, we're on that one, we're on that bass line. So when we jump onto that first leg, I'm gonna use that jack right into it, 1, okay? So as I use that jack, it's almost like my knee and my chest are gonna meet, and then it's gonna come down. Then I'm gonna go back in for the second one, boom, and. So I have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Another tip is, as you're doing this move, it really helps to find the corners when you're doing your jack, because you're gonna be moving side to side. So when I do my jack, I'm focusing on the corner. So if I start on my right leg, when I jump into that, boom, I'm facing this direction, I'm down, and then I go this way, here, down. We go boom, and boom, boom, boom. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. Just like that.
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
Now, if you want some more in-depth training in-house, I just put out a new class right here in my membership on YouTube, which you can check out by clicking the join button down below. Within the membership, you get access to all of the classes I have available, as well as new classes coming out every month. You also get video feedback from me, where you can send me a video once a month and I'll give you some critiques and some feedback to help you on your dance journey. Now, if the video has helped you, please hit that like button. You can subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.